told you that your YouTube videos don't need better cameras, expensive equipment, or even a huge budget to become addictive? So, the secret stories is storytelling. Because people don't click on a video just to get information, they click because they want to feel something, discover something, or find out what happened next. So, and in this video, going to show you exactly how to use storytelling to keep viewer watching from the first second all the way to the end. So here is, think about the last YouTube video you watched all the way through. Why did not you click away? Maybe the information was useful. Maybe the creator was entertaining, but chances are there was another reason. You wanted to know what happened next. That's the power of storytelling. And here is the important part, you don't have to be a filmmaker to use it, whether you were making videos about AI tool, technology, fitness, business, gaming, education, or even graphic design, you can turn almost any topic into a story. So let's break down the formula. So you should need to start with a hook. The first few seconds of your video are everything. Your viewer is constantly asking why should I keep watching. So don't start with, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about like this. That's predictable. Insist, create curiosity. Like if you are using, I tested 20 AI tool to find the one that can actually save you 10 hours every week. So now there is a question in the viewer's mind, which tool is it, and they want the answer. That's a hook. A powerful hook usually creates one of three things: curiosity, a problem, or a promise. For example, guys, can AI build a website better than a professional designer? Now your viewer wants to find out. So give you your story video a story. So even educational videos can have a beginning, middle, and end. A simple storytelling structure is, first one is the problem, second one is the journey, third one is the discovery, and the fourth one is the result. So let's see, you are making a video called a build a website using AI. Don't simply explain how to build the website, turn into a challenging. Start with I give myself 24 hours to build a complete website using AI. So no designer, no developer, and no template. Now there is a mission. The viewer wants to see whether you success or fail. During the video, show the obstacles. Maybe the AI generated a terrible design. Maybe the code breaks. Maybe the mobile version looks horrible. And then you fix each problem. So finally reveal the finished website. Now the information become a story. So the third step, if you are going to create an open loop, one of the most powerful storytelling techniques on YouTube is the open loop. Like an open loop is when you introduce a question but don't immediately answer it. I found one AI tool that completely surprised me, but there is one major problem with it. I will show you that problem later. Now, the viewer has an unanswered question, they want closure. So, you can create open loop throughout your video. For example, at the end, I will show you the strategy that increase my result the most. Or, but before we get to the best tool, there is something you need to know. So the key is simple, give viewers a reason to keep watching, but don't abuse it. So if you constantly tease something and never deliver, viewers will lose trust. So it's very compulsory to build the trust. So fourth step is give your viewers a reason to care. So information alone is not always interesting. Context makes information interesting. So like imagine guys, here are 5 AI tool that's information. Now imagine if I am saying I tested 5 AI tool because I want to find out which one could replace 3 different apps. So that's a story. The viewer now understand what is happening, why is it happening, and what is at stake. So always connect your information to your goal. It's very compulsory. Fifth one is the add conflict. Great stories needs obstacle, and YouTube videos are no different. If everything goes perfectly, there is no tension. So I tried an AI tool. I worked perfectly. The end, not very exciting. Insist. I thought this AI tool was going to save me hours. Then I completely destroyed my original design. So now we have a conflict. The viewer wants to know how can I fix it? So conflict can come from a failed experiment, a difficult challenge, or a surprising result, a mistake, a limited budget, and unexpected problems. So the bigger the obstacle, the more satisfying the payoff can become. So next one is use the power of contrast. Now you can see the visual as well. Contrast make a story more dramatic, show the before and the after, show the expectation versus reality, show failure versus success. For example, this website looked terrible. Here is what I look like after 30 minutes of optimization. That visual transformation immediately creates interest. So this work incredibly well for like AI tutorial if you are working on the Photoshop tutorial, like if you're working on the fitness transformation business experiment, like website designing product review and the challenges as well. So don't explaining everything at once. One of the biggest mistake creator make is giving viewers all the information immediately in the first 2 or 3 seconds. Insist reveal information progressively. Thinks of your video like a journey. First, here is the problem. Then you, what I tried. Here, what's went wrong with me. Then, what I discovered. And finally, here is the result. So here, there are the different sections you should need to. Each section should naturally lead into the next, so you want the viewer thinking, okay, what happened next, let's see. So the every 20-30 second interesting is very compulsory. You don't necessarily need a crazy event every 10 seconds, but you should regularly introduce something that refresh attention. Like this could be a visual change, a new question, a surprising fact, a result, a mistake, a joke, a screen recording. They are the transition cause you wants to grab the attention of your viewer. So, but then I noticed something I completely missed. There's a mini hook, then reveal the information. That's create a rhythm that prevent the video from falling flat. So make the viewer like a hero. So here is a powerful mindset shift. Your video is not really about you, it's about the viewer. If you are teaching Photoshop, don't just say, today I'm going to show you my Photoshop workflow. Instead, by the end of this video, I will be able to create the design yourself. So now the viewer has a destination. You are taking from them from problem to solution toward beginner to skills and as well confused toward the confident. So that's the storytelling. So it creates a payoff, then a new loop. Every story needs a payoff. If you spend 10 minutes building curiosity and then give the viewer a weak ending, they will feel completely disappointed. So your payoff should answer the question you have created. If you promise, I test 20 AI tool to reveal the winner. If you promise, I build a website in 20 hours. So the final website. If you promise, I discover a faster editing techniques, then demonstrate it. So the payoff should feel worth the wait. So and with a new curiosity loop. The simple storytelling formula like that. So let put everything together. Use the formula: hook, goal, conflict, journey, like open loop, discovery, payoff, and then last on the list, the next step. So here is the biggest lesson: people don't remember information; they remember experience, and storytelling turn information into an experience. So the next time you create a YouTube video, don't ask like what journey can I tag them on? What information should I give my audience? Give them a problem, give them a goal, create curiosity, introduce obstacles, reveal discoveries, and deliver a satisfying payoff. So, because when viewers are not just watching your video but wondering what happened next, so that's when your video become addictive. If you found this video this useful, check out the next video where we will break down how to create YouTube hook that grab attention in the first 5 seconds. So until then, keep creating and keep your viewers curious. Now take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.